how to set up Python on Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open up your browser and head to python.org/downloads, or you can look up Python and it will take you to this website. And then you want to download Python by clicking on the installer for the latest version here, or you can basically download previous versions if you want to. And once you finish the download, you should run the installer to install Python on your computer. I have it already installed in this case. And once you finish the installation, you will need to open up your Visual Studio Code and then go to the Extensions tab and search for Python. And then you will need to install a few extensions. So for example, the Python debugger, Python, and the Python environments, and the Python extension as well, if you don't have it already installed. Now once you finish the installation, you can close Visual Studio Code and restart it by searching for Visual Studio Code to open it up again. And to check if Python is properly installed, you will need to open up command line or PowerShell and type Python space -- version, and it should print out the Python version you have currently installed. Now to run Python files, you can simply select your file and then click on run and start debugging, or start without a debugger. You can choose Python debugger here and Python file, and this should run your file. And when it's done, it should print the hello world here, as you can see. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.